Good morning. It is Monday. How do I say this? I need to properly start off a vlog and not just start shooting clips. So good morning, it's Monday. Welcome back to my channel. This is Brittney Giselle. Okay, this is Brittney Giselle. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for joining me. I guess I woke up happy. I don't know. It's a snow day. It's Monday, the 20, I don't know what day it is. 22nd, 23rd, one of those. I might be ahead. If you haven't yet, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share my channel with somebody that might be interested. And thank you guys for showing love. So check out my other videos when you're done with this one. But I'm going to go home and get myself together. I dropped Kyron off at school. I just got my Dunkin'. And I'm gonna go home and get myself together and go to the mall when they open because I have something I have to return. I'm the queen of return and exchanges. If I don't like something, I'm not gonna keep it. I'm gonna take it back. So I have to return something, and then it is a snow day. It started snowing, like it really started coming down at like 8:30. I have a huge feeling that they are going to announce like a half a day for us to pick up the kids. So I want to get as much done as I can before that comes out, since I don't know exactly what time that'll be. And then once I get back home, then I'm gonna edit my vlog from last week. So by the time you see this, my vlog will be up. Yeah, I got my Dunkin', and then in February they y'all know I love my Dunkin'. Thank you, Dunkin', for the Z. In February, every Monday in this month, they were giving away a free hot coffee with a purchase. So y'all know I got me a free hot coffee. I don't do hot coffee, but it will be going in the refrigerator. And one of these days that I don't make it a Dunkin', I'll just make my own coffee at home. And you know, I got like a million creamers. I'll just spruce it up and make it to my liking. And that's what I do with those free hot coffees. Because I refuse to drink hot coffee. I will sit on the toilet all day. But yeah, let me get my ass home and wash my booty. I want to get stuff done. So I will see you guys later. Someone please tell me what this gentleman to my left is doing. Because he's running in the snow with no shirt. What the fuck? What was he doing? My mess of other crap going on up there, but the Eucalyptus, I'm telling you, if you have not done this, if you haven't heard about this, look it up, a Eucalyptus shower. I actually did a reels the other day on my Instagram, so if you haven't seen it yet, go ahead on over to my Instagram. I'll put my name on the page and the link is down in my description box. But I'm telling you, this has been up for about a week and a half, 2 weeks now, And not every time, but often when I come into my bathroom, it smells like eucalyptus and it's so refreshing. I love it, and this is something that I'm definitely gonna keep on doing. I'm not showing y'all the rest of my tub because it's a little dirty. I gotta clean it. But I'm about to get in the shower and get dressed and head on out. It's a snow day, so it is good in here. There's literally nothing. And like the stores that aren't even open yet, but I am here like really early. With a big ass bag. It has 3 items in it, none of which is what I was looking for. I'm still on a hunt for rugs, for a carpet in my living room. They didn't have any nice ones at all, so I'm gonna try Burlington. What face is that? Is that the thinking face?